Alright, I figure he's gonna go first this time. Yep, indeed. This. Oof. Kind of awkward. I'll go for it though. I do have a spell bomb, so that helps. And I got more land. I'm getting land, so. I'm gonna start dropping mambas. And I'll be getting another forest, obviously. He's playing red black, so he doesn't have. I don't think he expects him to have anything. I don't know if he's splashing white for enchantment removal, but once if I drop asceticism, I feel confident it will remain in play. You could have do the liquid metal coating, shatter, whatever, but I have not seen the liquid metal coating. I'd be careful though. He doesn't have his mana troubles now. Yeah, sure. I gotta be ready. He's ramping up somewhat, and I don't think it's smart for me to swing in. Actually, I gotta be worried about Orc Trail. You know what? I'll swing in, and if he wants to block, that's fine. I don't want him drawing 2 cards. Because he has a life, because I'm trying to poison him, so. Depending on his next step, I may have to blow my Horizon Spell Bomb. Okay. Sure. Depending on my next draw, we'll see whether I drop Mamba or not. Embersmith, Trigon. Okay. Yep. Yep. He's emptying out his hand, so he probably has 1 piece of removal. Icarats. Okay, that's interesting. Sure. These are proliferate. Right. I'm thinking whether I should sack this. I think I do have to sack. I want to sack that. Nope. I'm trying to make as much use of my mana as I can. Forest. Yep. Right, let me think. What can he do? Jeez. I can asceticism. I can also acid web spider and kill life staff. He has 1 coin in his hand. I feel fairly confident. That it's not, hopefully not a removal. If I can get my Black Mamba on top, I feel confident. I mean, you have to fleshology that. I don't know what other infect he's running. If he's indeed running other infect. I'm gonna block that, by the way. I figured that he's not gonna swing. Right. I figure he's gonna block. Nope. Alright. He's gonna use a removal. Right. I'm gonna drop this asceticism now. Before he does indeed have any removal. And I'll equip this. Now it's become a lot harder for him. I can fleshology destroy his Icarats. I don't think he can kill that anything. Yep. Because that's an ability, even though that's not spell. Okay. Sure. Oh, just try clearing the way. And I'll swing in with both. Right. Right. So, keep swinging in with both. And keep overloading him with creatures. Yes. Mamba. Yeah, I probably should be thinking what he could have. At this point, I will just move that over, though. I think I'll have a slightly better chance of killing him with poison. He's pretty much done once I got my system out. And I could place the spare, but I want to save in case he has something up his sleeve. Right? Okay, so, I'll just swing with everything. See if he has something. Nope. Alright, so. Fascinating stuff. Yeah. Felt a lot more confident once I got my system out. So yeah, not much to be said. I think that went pretty well. We'll see if there's a third round.